Hey, what's going on, everybody? So today I got a small little challenge. All right, so one of my subscribers commented in one of my older videos, and I totally forgot I had this rod, but I got a little Ultra-Lite 4'6" Ugly Stick Light Pro graphite rod. I got a little Senko on there, got the PC Fun SL20 reel, and we're gonna go throw for some smallmouth in the creek for some giant bass. Now hopefully we catch something here today. If not, we don't, but I have a feeling we will. And this is gonna be really interesting. I haven't used a small rod like this since I was 10, 11 years old. Oh, that water feels so good. All right, guys, I will actually move up here and get back to you. Some deer has been roaming around here. Get back to you when I start fishing.
There's a universe inside you, so won't you wake up now and see? Don't hide away the things you're feeling. Unlock your mind and lose the key. There's a universe inside you. You should never have to hide. I can see the stars inside you. Please just open up your eyes.
First fish. He's not happy. I wasn't expecting one to be in there. Get back in there, little stink. That was cool. Wasn't expecting the fish to be in there. Texas rigging a Senko. Reason why I'm not wacky rigging, I just think that, I don't know. I'm a fan of it. Don't get me wrong, but I just prefer the Texas rig a little bit more than anything else. It's just how I. Oh, is that bite? No. Oh, baby, first fish. Oh, there he is, too. Look at trout. Big small. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Look at that pig. Love the Ultra-Lite. Oh my God. Guys, look at that bass. Off the little 4'6" Ugly Stick plate. Dude, another tank. How pretty he is. Put that Senko right back in front. Come on. Man. I didn't even know he hit. My drag was so loose. Dude. Way to start off a video. The Ultra-Lite challenge. And wow, that first fish. I'm pretty sure that's the one I caught off the top water. Some of these fish are residential, some of them move in and out, but some of them stay. And when that thing hits, when those bass hit top water, it's nothing else but. I'd like to be able to keep getting them on the Senko. Nice one. There goes a Senko. Oh. Bottom jaw. Senko's gone. Feisty smallmouth. Nice. Off the little light rod. There you go, buddy. I think we only got one more Senko left, ladies and gentlemen, so that sucks. I'm actually watching these fish come right behind it and just start eating it. This uneventful walking trip. Caught 2 fish already, which is pretty nice. Now this is where the glare is going to get bad for you guys here. I'm sorry. Alright, well here goes the first cast in this hole with the stanky, lanky, hanky-panky. What I'm going to do here is look for some fish that are hungry. I'm just going to swim this little Senko. It's a little 4-inch Senko. I'm kind of looking to see if this hole's kind of worth it right now, which it seems like it is. With the sun beating down on it pretty bad, I wouldn't guess it would be, but we're gonna check it out. It's been a pretty good day today. This Senko's probably gonna get tossed here in like 3 seconds anyway, so yep, just called it. And there it goes. Well, just put a little salt and pepper tube on with that TRD jig head. Very sharp hook, these TRD hooks. That little guy bit. There's got to be a couple more in this hole, you would think now. So you guys want to see the tube or the top water with this thing? Kind of want to see if that top water will work. But I ain't got really that long of a rod, so we're gonna keep on this small little white tube here. It's a real finessey type deal. Got that 1/16 ounce mushroom TRD head, so on a little salt and pepper white tube, it's kind of straight white instead of salt and pepper, and I'm just flicking it just like a shad or little crayfish, seeing if anything's in between these rocks right here before we get up onto the hole. Good fish. Wow. Oh my God. Get in here. No. I knew that was gonna happen, dude. Size of this walleye. Off the tube. Ultra-Lite. Look at that rod bend. Big walleye. Get up in here. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, something tried to get at him, man. Skin hooked. Ultra-Lite, probably a fat 17-inch walleye. See him back in the water. Look at the mark on the back of him. Something tried getting at him. There you go, buddy. Sick. I just lost that big walleye. I mean, that big smallie. Now I just knocked that big walleye. There's already one. Another walleye. Oh, a little pretty sucker. You actually stink. Another nice little walleye. He doesn't stink, but it's kind of hoping for a small jaw there. These walleye are just knocking this tube dead right now. Well guys, I know this video is a little bit shorter than the rest of them, but I have to say that this little rod still kicks, man. This was the very first rod I think my uncle bought me for Christmas, and yeah, I've done very well. Hammered some of the best fish in my life off of this rod. Some of my biggest fish ever. Caught trout, everything. But I don't know, maybe we'll do some more ultralight videos. If you guys like the ultralight video, make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to hit the thumbs up button, comment down below that you like it. And maybe I'll do it more in the future for you guys. Just let me know. You guys gotta let me know. But yeah, make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys later.